Hey, this is Michael Chadwick from City Habitats. Look at this gorgeous two-bedroom that just hit the market in Morningside Heights near Columbia. Look at this black granite countertop kitchen, stainless steel appliances, lots of cabinet space, a vent. Imagine putting some bar stools along there. We're in an elevator laundry building, just minutes from Columbia and right around the corner from the train. Here's the first bedroom. Brand new floors, great closet. Here's the second bedroom. Another closet. Beautiful renovated bathroom with a tub and a shower. And look at this bedroom. Huge. It's a corner unit with lots of light. $29.50. Elevator, laundry on Teeman Place, just south of West and 25th near Columbia. Hurry up before it's gone. Call me.